All right, well, hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. A couple weeks ago on a Saturday morning, I was awakened to about 300 people telling me that I had won something from a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Of course, that was John and Rebecca over there at CastIronSkillet. I notified them that I would choose whichever one that they had offered. Whoever got to it first would get the cast iron skillet, I believe it was. I don't remember what I did. I think I did get the cast iron skillet, but here is what I got. Amazon just brought it, so I am going to open it up and show you guys what it is. Thanks again to John and Rebecca over there, and congratulations for 1,000 subscribers. That's a hell of a benchmark. It's hard to do, and you have done it, so congratulations. Oh, first out of the box is the stainless steel chainmail scrubber that's in there. We'll open that up and look at that. I don't need to. Let me get all of this out first before we get too wacky. It's heavy. There we go. There it is. Let me get that in shot. 100. I'm reading this backwards. 100 years. Still cooking. Let me just turn it around here. 100 years and still cooking. Okay, sorry about that. Since 1896, the Lodge family has been casting premium iron cookware at our Tennessee foundry, starting with raw materials and finishing with our seasoning process. We continue to improve on the highest quality standards that go into every piece we make. Now let's eat. I like that. It's made in America, Lodge cast iron. Let's get this out of the box and look at it. Oh, forgot to tell you about the old chainmail scrubber here, so let's get this out of the box too. Oh wow, cool. There you go. Use that to clean it, or I can wear it on my head if I go into battle. I'm telling you, this is one crazy box. Two of them. Wow. Nice. All right, here's the first one. It's kind of a smaller one, about 10 inches across, I guess. Good for breakfast and eggs, I guess. And here's our deeper one. Cast iron cookware. It's all how to keep and take care of your pan. But we all know that there's 100 people on YouTube we can go to if we need to, right? There's the other one, a little bit deeper, still about 10 inches across, maybe a foot, about 3 inches deep. Good for a pot of beans or for whatever I'm going to plan on cooking with it. But I'm going to definitely use both of these pans at the same time or one at a time for a number of shows that I do. Again, thanks a lot to John and Rebecca over there at Cast Iron Skillet. You can see their address for their show right here in this card. Do not forget to go over there, give them a like, subscribe, leave them a comment, and tell them John Politte from It's Only Food sent you. Thanks a lot, you guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you again right here on It's Only Food. Bye-bye.